was the mills which spun the yarn and the foundries which made the nail rod upon which the outworkers were employed. Ideology may wish to exalt one and decry the other, but facts must lead us to say that each was a complementary component of a single process. This process first multiplied hand workers, hand calico printers, weavers, fustian cutters, wool combers, and then extinguished their livelihood with new machinery. Moreover, the degradation of the outworkers was very rarely as simple as the phrase dis- displaced by a mechanical process suggests. It was accomplished by methods of exploitation similar to those in the dishonorable trades, and it often preceded machine competition. Nor is it true that the traditions and methods of the domestic workers were those of the 18th century. The only large group of domestic workers in that century whose conditions anticipate those of the semi-employed proletarian outworkers of the 19th century are the Spitalfields silk weavers. And this is because the industrial revolution in silk preceded that in cotton and in wool. Indeed, we may say that large-scale sweated outwork was as intrinsic to this revolution as was factory production and steam. As for the traditions and methods of the slop workers in the dishonorable trade, these, of course, have been endemic for centuries wherever cheap labor has been abandoned. They would, nevertheless, appear to constitute a serious reversal of the conditions of late 18th century London artisans. What we can say with confidence is that the artisan felt that his status and standard of living were under threat or were deteriorating between 1815 and 1840. Technical innovation and the superabundance of cheap labor weakened his position. He had no political rights, and the power of the state was used, if only fitfully, to destroy his trade unions. As Mayhew clearly showed, not only did underpay in the dishonorable trades make for overwork, it also made for less work all round.